The purpose of this activity is for me to see what you already know about the different organs of the body, whether you know what they look like and where in the body you would find them. So, to do this activity, first of all, no Googling. This is for me to see what you know. So, if you don't know it, it's okay. This is just graded on your effort and participation, not necessarily whether you get them all right. This is for me to see what you remember from your health classes and previous biology classes. So, how to do this activity? We have this outline of the human body here, and all you need to do is just drag and drop the organs to where you think they would go. So you got to think about where in the human body you would find them. But I also want you to think about what organs are closer to the front of the body and what organs are closer to the back. So let's say, for example, I think this organ goes here, and I think this organ goes behind it. You see now that this picture sits in front, I can change the order of the pictures by right-clicking on the picture I want to change and going to Order, and I can send it to the back. And now if I look, this organ here is now in front. You can also resize them if you think they should be bigger or smaller, or if you just sort of want to arrange it so that way you can see all the organs. Think about what these organs are, see if you can identify them, and then try to put them in the correct places in that human body outline.